try again. Yeah. Was yeah, snap again.
Mari berlayar.
This is the old AC. Today we're going to replace it.
Well, maybe over the week.
So this is the AC that the previous owner used, just normal house AC, stuck into the front hatch, and they tape it or they glue it with butyl tape, and even they sail while this AC intact like this. So yeah, we're gonna replace it, or we're gonna take this away. This is not good, it's ugly. And under this blue tarp is the new AC. We're gonna open that soon and then put it in where it's supposed to be. Unboxing. Ta-da!
Alright, we got instructions, that's good.
There it is. So, what do you got?
Well, I got instructions. I got a bunch of foam. I got an air conditioning unit. There for the drip pan.
So, electrical box and the whole AC unit and this pump.
Do not have a pump.
Huh? This is not the pump?
That might be a pump, but it's not the pump that brings water from the outside.
So, what are you taking off?
Just right angle joint.
Right angle joint. Because the new one, it's like this, it's straight, and that won't be good or doesn't match with our situation. Has to be right angle. So we take it from the old part. Now we're trying to figure out the pipes, the inflows and the outflow.
So this was the outflow. Currently it's going up here somewhere, and that's where it discharges out. So we could just reroute that to right here or something. Have to drill a new hole. We'll set the unit in there first.
Yeah, we have to set up the unit first. And this is the units. The unit says this is the outflows. The outflow from up above. Inflow. Ooh, the inflow is here below, and it seems that's now it's not how it was before, so we'll see. Okay, it fits at least.
So right there, the drain's right on top of the hole where it's supposed to go. That's good. It looks like we wouldn't even need a hose. We just turn that thing down and.
What I'm saying, we make sure the duct all sealed up, no holes, no leak, and then connected to part of the AC. We took off, so it would be easier for us to set in to put the AC in. That's the idea. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So we fit it, but still a lot of work. The outflow here, this gonna continue or connect to this outflow, and the inflow pipe, that one, we're gonna reroute it here. Alright, pretty much installed. So we reroute the intake hose from this to this. We continue, or we add another hose to make it one continuous hose. And that's the drain. Just put the drain here all the way to the bilge. And this is the outflow. Next thing will be electronic, and Wahat is learning how to do it. Since we have the old controller already installed, so we just move some to the new one. So move the cable.
It's a little bit different.
Yeah, even though it's a little bit different layout.
So you're thinking
But,
this is where they go?
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, we just follow the mark here, what it says here, and then put it in a new one. Okay, now the controller is installed, at least from this side. Now we're gonna figure out how to turn it on.
Nope.
How about long?
Huh?
Punch it long. Nothing.
Alright.
Nothing.
Okay.
Alright, now we try again. Yeah. Wasp. Yeah. Snap again. So it's almost the end of the day. Well, we call it a day for now. We made it, or it can be turned on, but and then it snaps and turn off again. So that's a problem for another day. Maybe tonight we're gonna Google it or call the expert. So I left for a while for my morning routine, and I came back and the AC is working. What did you do? What kind of magic trick you did?
It's magic. I can't tell you.
So what happened?
the red or the white and the black wires go backwards for the pump.
For the pump. So you just change the pump cable. That's it.
Now it works.
Oh! So that's how you do it. That's how you install the Dometic AC.